Morning light through a broken screen. Smiling faces don't know what they mean. Coffee's cold but the feed is warm. Selling dreams in a perfect form. Barefoot moments don't make the cut. If it doesn't shine, it's never enough. We frame our hearts in a highlight reel. Lose the way that silence feels. I count my worth in borrowed eyes. Scroll past truth, believe the lies. Every touch replaced by sound of golden noise that pulls me down. We traded skies for smaller screens, filtered love and borrowed dreams. Every second wants to be seen, but nothing's really felt. I miss the mess, the unpolished days. Laughing loud, no words to say. Life was art before we framed every breath for someone else. Sunsets wait while I check my phone. Proof I was here but still alone. I post a smile I didn't live, just to feel like I exist. Hands held tight but eyes look down. Trying to keep up, afraid to drown in a sea of look at me, where nobody really sees. I hear my name in notifications, but miss my own reflection. If I disappear tonight, would I still feel real offline? We traded skies for smaller screens, filtered love and borrowed dreams. Every second wants to be seen, but nothing's really felt. I miss the mess, the unpolished days. Laughing loud on my legs to say life was art before we framed every breath for someone else. Turn the volume down on the world. Let my thoughts come back to me. There's a pulse beneath the noise, a quiet kind of beauty. If no one's watching, I still shine. If no one's counting, I'm still alive. Maybe I don't need to prove that my heart is beating true. Let the skies be wide again. Let me feel with bad intent down. I don't need to be a trend to know I'm felt. I'll choose the dirt, the tears, the flame, the human parts they couldn't tame. Life is bold without the frame. I choose myself. Golden noise, I let you go. There's a softer light I know.